This video will show you how to service and clean your BRG-300 blind rivet gun from Grade A Tools. In this video, we will cover how to clean and service your nose piece and replace the jaws. Also, we will show you how to clean and service your mandrel collector. We also have a video on how to change your oil that can be found on our website, or how to change and service your oil. For this video, you will need a straw, hydraulic oil, and some grease, and jaws if needed. All rivet guns create metal shavings and clippings due to the jaws gripping the mandrel, and the force it is required to break that mandrel creates shavings. You should remove your nose tip regularly. I would suggest you do it every time. It only takes about 30 seconds to remove this and put it back on and remove any shavings. To remove your nose piece outer housing, you will turn your nut, remove the housing. You will then clean any shavings that you see in here and check your jaws for damage. If the jaws are damaged, it will require replacing. Otherwise, you will clean any shavings out of here, making sure everything is in working order. If everything is in working order here, you can put it back together. If your jaws are broken, you will need to do the following. You're going to pull back on your retainer ring, remove your jaw housing, again, your jaws will look like this. To remove the jaws, you're simply going to empty them out into your hand. If they are broken, you will replace those. You will remove your jaw and spring, jaw pusher and spring. You will clean anything here or replace anything as necessary, and then you will put it back together. To reassemble your nose assembly, we're going to take two jaws. You're going to put them between your fingers like so. You're going to take the third one and you're going to dip it in grease. You'll put it together like this. You will then take your nose, your jaw housing. You will slide it in. You'll take your straw, slowly push it out until your jaws are inserted properly. You will then take your pusher and your pusher spring, reinsert it, rethread this housing back on, pull your retainer spring back, turn it, and then go counterclockwise until it snaps in. You will then take a little bit of lube and just put a little bit of lube here, or tool oil. Reinstall your nose piece, outer assembly, and then your nut. And then we are ready to go, and we will service our mandrel collector next. To remove your jaw housing, you'll pull back on your retainer. You'll turn it counterclockwise until it comes off. When reinstalling it, you're going to turn it clockwise or tighten it. And then once you're all the way tight, you'll release your spring and then turn back until it snaps in and you're ready to install your outer housing. To service your mandrel collector, you're going to turn left to unlock it. You'll remove it. You'll inspect it. Clear any mandrel clippings or shavings and clean it thoroughly. You will then inspect your O-ring, making sure your ejection pathway is clean or your injection tube is clean. Once it's been cleaned, you will then reassemble it and you're ready to proceed.